no idea about Power BI, this course will help you understand what exactly is Power BI from end to end. Because I've just made a very short course, and in this short course you'll be able to understand what is the life cycle of a Power BI, what is the development life cycle, like what you will be doing from step 1 to step 6. There are 6 steps that I've elaborated, explaining you what is being done in each step. So by doing this course, you'll be able to have a good idea about the end-to-end of Power BI, with which you will be able to make a judgment or come up with a decision if you are comfortable with Power BI, so that then you can invest on to the next level. Like if you are planning to do some Power BI course, or if you are planning to go to Power BI as a data analyst, so is it the right place for you or not? This course can help you out come up with that decision, because we are covering each and every step, and all these steps are clearly explained with a practical example of where you will be building an end-to-end report. So by the end of this step 6, like in this, by the end of this course, you will be able to build a report, a Power BI report, and by looking at that, you will get a confidence that okay, this is what the entire life cycle of Power BI is.